What's up guys, Jeff back here with another amazing video. And guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money online by texting your friends and other strangers around you. So guys, this is a brand new method and it's easy and fast, so anyone anywhere in the world could actually do this, because the websites I'm going to be showing you guys today are websites they're going to allow you to sign up regardless of the country you're actually in. So real quick, if this is your first time on my channel, you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Go below this video, smash the red subscribe button, also drop a like below. And if you have any questions at all, if you're confused about anything I do in the video, or if you need extra info about something, drop your questions in the comment section. I'm going to be replying to every single one. And also, if you missed the video I actually uploaded yesterday about how to make at least $25 every single day by doing affiliate marketing, make sure you go watch that video after this one. And yeah, so guys, the first website you're going to be using to make this money is a website called CPA Grip, and this website is basically worldwide. You could sign up in whatever country you're in, as I said before. And guys, after signing up on this website, you're going to come over to this tab over here that says offer tools, and you're going to click on that. I'm going to check out what offers are actually available in your country. But if there are no offers available in your country, it does not matter. You could actually get traffic from other countries so you could make money. So basically, CPA Grip is simply a website where you could get paid commission for getting people to complete simple offers, and that's what CPA over here actually stands for. So it stands for cost per action. So every single time you get someone to complete an action, you're going to be getting paid a commission. So for example, the first stuff over here, so you could actually grab your link to this website over here, your own unique link, and every single time someone from the United States clicks on this link and submits their email and their zip code, you're going to be getting paid $2.25 over and over again. So for example, if you're in a country, maybe Spain, you could check offers available for you. And for example, this one is also the same thing, email /zip submit, that's the category. And every single time someone does that with your link, you're going to be getting 69 cents over here. And you could also check out other categories over here, app downloads, mobile install, pin submit, free survey. So we're going to get back to that in a minute. The second website you're going to need is a website called idplr.com, and after signing up over here, it's completely free and it's worldwide also. So after signing up over here, you're going to go over to free product over here, and you're going to be, well, for this method we're going to be using ebooks, but actually guys, you could use anything over here. But for this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually do this by using free ebooks. So after doing that, the next thing we're going to be doing is getting traffic to this. But guys, before we go over to that, I'm going to show you guys how to actually set up some other things that are very, very important. So you're going to go back over to CPA Grip over here. You're going to close this. I clicked on it again, I'm so dumb. But guys, you're going to close this over here. You're going to come over to monetization tools. You're going to click on URL/file lockers, and that sounds pretty much self-explanatory, because you're going to be locking ebooks to get people to actually click on your links. So you're going to click on that real quick, and I'm going to show you guys an example of what I've actually set up over here. So I'm going to click on edit, and this is basically what it's going to look like, but you guys could actually choose whatever template you actually want. So guys, you're not going to be building a website from scratch, but if you actually build a website from scratch, I know people that actually build websites from scratch and they actually make a ton of money. But guys, you could select a template from here, whatever template you want to use. A very good template is this one over here, that is file share. So let me click on that real quick. So for example, over here, as you can see, file share, download ready, they have requested the file, premium, blah blah blah. And when the person clicks begin download, they're going to have to complete an offer to actually get access to whatever file you've actually logged in here. And to actually put the link, all you have to do is come over to this tab that says general. You're going to scroll down over here, and as you can see, locked URL, you're going to get the link to a book. For example, how to create your own physical video. You're just simply going to copy the link and you're going to paste that in here, or whatever ebook you actually want to paste in there, you're going to paste that in there. And guys, the next thing you want to do is check if there are offers available in the country you want to target. So for example, I'm going to advise you guys to actually target people in the United States, but if you want to target people in your own country, that is, if you want to be actually sending your friends over to this website, you're going to select your country over here and check if there are offers available in your country before you start sending and getting traffic to this website. And if there are no offers available me a country, simply go for the United States because that's where you're going to get the most money from. So after doing this, I've showed you guys 2 websites. You're pretty much halfway done with this. The next step is to actually get traffic to this, and as I said in the title and as I said in the thumbnail, as you saw in the thumbnail, you're going to be getting paid to text your friends and strangers. So if you're in the USA right now, you could simply go with your friends that may be interested in weight loss or fitness, or maybe make YouTube videos or play games or stuff like that. You're simply going to find an ebook that suits your friend over here. So for example, if I want to target the weight loss niche, so just simply go and type weight loss over here. You're going to get a bunch of free ebooks that you could actually download, that your friends could actually download, and a bunch of free ebooks that you could actually get links to put on your templates or websites over here. And you're going to be getting traffic simply by going over to Google, and you're going to type whatever niche you choose. So for example, the niche I chose for my book is weight loss. You're going to type weight loss WhatsApp group links, and when you type that in, you're going to see a ton of websites that are going to provide you with group links to weight loss groups or whatever niche you actually chose. So after clicking on that, you can see I'm going to simply scroll down over here, and we're going to see a bunch of group links to WhatsApp groups with people who are interested in losing weight and stuff like that. So you're going to join every single one of these groups, and what you have to simply do in these groups is type messages every single day. You're going to type something like, hey guys, this ebook helped me to lose some weight, and if you want to learn how I did this, simply click on this link to get the free ebook. And you're going to post a link to your website under that message or in that message. So click on save over here. You're going to simply click on get links, and you're going to get your link over here. I'm going to advise you guys to actually shorten this link with bit.ly or whatever link shorteners you use. So after shortening this, you're going to post it alongside with your message. Guys, it's very important that you actually post a message with this, because if you simply post a link, no one is going to click on that. So post a message alongside with it, and every single time someone clicks on that link, they're going to get redirected to this page that says download is ready, and they're going to be like, okay, I'm going to try download the file. And when you click begin download, they're gonna have to complete an offer before they can actually get access to that file. So as I said, you guys could actually target whatever you want to target. So if you want to go for a broader audience, all you have to do is search for WhatsApp group links. You're going to simply click on search. Let's see what that actually brings up. So I've actually visited this before, so I'm going to click over here, and you guys could actually get a bunch of links from here. So as you can see over here, USA WhatsApp groups, and that's the country I'm going to advise you guys to target, as I said before. Or over here, as you can see, technology WhatsApp group, and you could go back over to IDPLR and actually search for a book that's related to tech. So simply type tech over here or technology, and let's see if there's a book available for people interested in technology. So over here, you're going to see a bunch of groups, a bunch of books actually: Video Upgrade, Relentless Drive, blah blah blah, Healthy Boundaries. These books aren't actually really targeted, but you guys grab what I'm trying to say. Get books that are related to the groups you're going to be joining, so you're going to provide them with something that's going to help them on the long run, and they're going to be completing these offers, and every single time they complete those offers, you're going to be getting a commission. So guys, another way I'm going to advise you guys to get traffic is simply by going over to Facebook. And guys, I mentioned Facebook in every single one of my videos, and that is simply because this website gets about 26 or 24 billion monthly visitors, and guys, that is a ton of traffic you guys could actually take advantage of. So over here, as you can see, I typed in weight loss United States, and you could type whatever country you're actually targeting behind there. So you could type in weight loss Algeria or weight loss Liberia, whatever country you're actually in. You're gonna simply search for that. It's gonna bring out a ton of stuff like this, but what you want to do is click on groups, because you want to join groups. I'm going to click on groups. After doing that, you're going to see a bunch of groups you're going to join. So 65,000 members, 17,000 members. Obviously, you want to join groups with high amount of members. Don't go join a group with, like, I don't know, 30 members or something like that. Join groups that have high amount of members. So guys, you're simply going to join all these groups. I'm going to be posting at least once every single day. So guys, as I said, the same thing applies to Facebook. What I said about WhatsApp, do not go post your links alone. No one's going to click it. You have to type up something. So guys, people are going to be clicking your links, you're going to be making commissions over and over again. And guys, make sure you join a ton of groups. I'm going to advise you guys to actually do this with Facebook and do this with WhatsApp to actually make more commissions, because the more methods, the more traffic you actually get, the better conversions you're going to actually get. So guys, that is pretty much it for this. And also, if you need to create a professional website for yourself, I'm going to leave a link to Bluehost in the description, and you could get started. You could get a free domain, free SSL certificates for only $3.95. So if you want to get that, a link is going to be in the description. And also, the browser I'm using over here is called Brave. So if you want to get that, also a link is going to be in the description. This browser basically just blocks ads on YouTube and a bunch of other websites. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you gained any sort of info from this video, drop a like below, leave your questions in the comment section if you're confused about anything, and also make sure you subscribe. It's gonna mean a lot to me. Thank you guys for watching. Peace and out.